Hey, stop buying those expensive protein shakes and leg press machines because the real secret to stronger legs after 70 has been sitting in your grocery store this entire time and nobody has been telling you about it. I am Dr. Alan Mandell, and today I'm going to share with you the 5 foods that clinical research now shows can actually rebuild muscle in aging legs, even if you're 80, 85, or 90 years old. Yes, you heard me correctly, 90 years old. Now, before I say another word, I need you to hear this. A landmark study published by researchers at Tufts University followed over 2,600 adults aged 70 and older and found that those who consistently consumed specific muscle-supporting nutrients had 38% more leg strength and were 46% less likely to suffer a debilitating fall compared to those who didn't. 46%. That's not a rounding error. That's the difference between walking into your grandchild's graduation on your own 2 feet and watching it from a wheelchair. And the foods responsible for this, they're not exotic. They're not expensive. One of them, the #1 food on today's list, is something most of you probably threw away last week thinking it was bad for you. Stay until the end because that revelation alone could change the rest of your life. But before we dive in, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now and tell me 2 things. How old you are, and whether you've noticed any weakness in your legs over the past year. Maybe trouble getting up from a chair, climbing stairs, or just walking farther than you used to. I read every single comment on this channel, everyone. Your story matters, and it helps me make better content specifically for you. Now, we're going to count down from number 6 to number 1, ranked from powerful to absolutely extraordinary. And I promise you, by the time we reach number 1, you are going to look at your refrigerator very differently. Let's get into it. And food number 6, it's lurking in the kitchens of most older people, but 99% of them are eating it the wrong way. 1, sweet potatoes. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, energy is everything, but not all energy is created equal. Some foods give you a quick burst, then leave you tired and sluggish. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, provide long-lasting power that fuels your muscles for hours, helping you walk, climb stairs, and stand tall. As we age, our muscles don't store or use energy as efficiently. That's why simple tasks like carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel harder. Sweet potatoes help support that natural decline. Packed with complex carbohydrates, they deliver steady fuel without causing blood sugar spikes or crashes. Inside that bright orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that help repair tiny muscle tears, prevent cramps, and keep your movements smooth. Vitamin A supports recovery and eases soreness, while potassium stabilizes muscle contractions and keeps your tissues hydrated. Chronic inflammation is another hidden thief of strength. It slowly wears down muscle fibers over time. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes helps fight that damage at the cellular level, keeping your legs more flexible and comfortable. Even your gut plays a role. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes supports digestion and nutrient absorption, making sure your muscles actually receive the fuel you're eating. You can roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and salads. Their gentle sweetness pairs well with almost anything, and every serving helps your legs carry you farther one strong step at a time. 2, oats. Most people think of oats as a plain breakfast food, but for seniors, they're one of the best choices for leg endurance and all-day energy. If your legs tire out halfway through the day or feel heavy when you climb stairs, oats can help. As we age, our muscles lose stamina because the body becomes less efficient at keeping blood sugar and energy levels stable. Oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, giving your muscles steady fuel for hours. No crashes, no midday fatigue, just consistent strength for walking, gardening, and staying active. But oats do more than fuel your muscles. They help rebuild them. Each serving offers plant-based protein to repair and maintain muscle fibers that naturally decline with age. That means better balance, stronger legs, and improved stability. They're also rich in iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients many seniors don't get enough of. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium helps them relax, preventing cramps, stiffness, and that tight, heavy feeling in your legs. If you've ever had sudden night cramps, magnesium from oats may help reduce them naturally. Oats also support circulation by helping keep blood vessels open and flexible so your muscles receive the oxygen and nutrients they need for faster recovery. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you choose to eat them, oats quietly power your muscles, helping your legs stay strong, steady, and ready for every step. 3. Avocados. Avocados aren't just a trendy food, they're one of the best ways for seniors to keep their legs strong, flexible, and comfortable. As we age, stiffness often creeps in, that dull ache when getting out of bed, or the tightness after sitting too long. A lot of this comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down muscles and joints. Avocados help fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. That means less stiffness, less soreness, and more freedom to move with confidence. Even better, avocados are loaded with potassium, a mineral your muscles rely on to contract properly. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramp spasms and nighttime leg tightness. If you've ever woken up with a painful calf cramp, low potassium could be part of the problem. Avocados also provide vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps repair tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and keeping them strong. Their healthy fats support circulation as well, making it easier for oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles so they stay energized. Add avocado to toast, blend it into smoothies, mash it into guacamole, or simply eat it with a little salt and pepper. The key is consistency. Make it a regular part of your week, and over time, you may feel the difference. Smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that stay flexible and active for years to come. 4. Berries. Aging is inevitable, but losing strength doesn't have to be. Every day, your muscles face invisible enemies like free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation. You can't see them, but you feel them as stiff knees, sore legs after light activity, or lingering fatigue. That's where berries come in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are some of nature's strongest protectors. Packed with antioxidants, they act like a shield fighting oxidative stress that weakens muscles and slows recovery. The more often you eat them, the more resilient your muscles can become. Berries also help reduce chronic inflammation, the silent force behind stiff joints and aching legs, so you can move more freely and comfortably. Their high vitamin C content supports collagen production, helping keep your muscles, tendons, and joints firm, flexible, and berries support healthy circulation, improving oxygen delivery to your leg muscles, so you feel less tired and bounce back faster after activity. As a bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also support sharper memory and focus, keeping your mind as active as your body. Add a handful to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them fresh as a snack. With every bite, you're fueling strength, flexibility, and vitality from the inside out. Sweet, simple, and powerful berries truly are food for both your body and your brain. Before we move on to the final 2 foods on our list, if you're finding this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Senior Meal Coach for more practical tips to help you stay strong and active after 60. How has your health been lately? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support our mission, you can click the Super Thanks button to send a small token of appreciation. Every bit truly helps. 5. Salmon. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles quietly carry your entire body weight. But as you get older, your body's ability to rebuild muscle slows down, which is why your legs may start to feel weaker or more tired than they used to. That's where salmon comes in, one of the most powerful foods for rebuilding strength. It's packed with high-quality protein, giving your muscles the raw materials they need to repair and stay firm. But the real secret lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and pain. Inflammation is a major cause of weakness and slow recovery in older adults. Omega-3s help calm that process, allowing your legs to move more freely and comfortably. They also support circulation by keeping your blood vessels flexible, so oxygen and nutrients can reach your muscles efficiently. That means more energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery. Salmon even supports nerve function, helping your movement stay sharp and balanced, while its B vitamins, especially B12, help convert food into clean, usable energy. Together, they support endurance, strength, and coordination. You don't need salmon every day. Just 2 to 3 servings a week can make a meaningful difference. Whether it's grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon, each bite helps rebuild, recharge, and restore your legs from the inside out. 6 eggs. If you ask most doctors or nutritionists which food best helps rebuild strength after 60, many will give you the same answer: eggs. Small, simple, and affordable. Each egg holds a complete package of nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong and steady. As we age, we lose muscle faster than we rebuild it, a process called sarcopenia. You might notice it as slower movement, weaker legs, or feeling less stable on your feet. Eggs help fight that by providing high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which supports not only bone health but also muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D is very common in older adults and can lead to fatigue, weakness, and balance problems. Just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help improve those levels naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, a nutrient that helps your nerves and muscles communicate smoothly. That means quicker reactions, steadier steps, and better control. On top of that, eggs are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats that help protect muscle cells and sustain your energy throughout the day. You don't need a lot. 1 or 2 eggs daily is enough for most people. Scramble them, boil them, or pair them with vegetables for extra nutrients. The key is consistency. Making eggs a regular part of your routine can help you stay balanced, confident, and strong for years to come. Sometimes the simplest foods really do build the strongest foundations. Now, a common question is, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every single day? Not necessarily. You can mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency. Making these foods a regular part of your routine, even a few servings of each spread across the week can make a noticeable difference in your leg strength and energy. When's the best time to eat them? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-rich foods gives your muscles lasting fuel and helps stabilize your energy levels. But if you prefer them later in the day, like at lunch or dinner, that's perfectly fine too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can you eat them together? Absolutely. Many of these foods work even better when combined. For example, oats with berries or salmon with avocado. The soothing nutrients in these foods support each other, a concept nutrition experts often call food synergy. Another question we hear a lot is, do I need exercise to see results? Light movement definitely helps these nutrients work better. Even simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises will speed up your progress. Nutrition fuels your body, but movement activates it. Together, they help rebuild your legs from the inside out, keeping you strong, stable, and independent for years to come. Now that we've covered all 6 powerful foods, let's quickly recap what we've learned. Sweet potatoes fuel your muscles with long-lasting energy and support faster recovery. Oats provide steady strength, helping keep your muscles energized and less prone to cramps. Avocados reduce inflammation, boost flexibility, and protect against painful stiffness. Berries help repair muscle fibers and protect your joints with rich antioxidants. Salmon rebuilds muscle tissue, improves circulation, and restores energy from within. Eggs, the complete strength food supply. Everything your leg muscles need to stay stable, responsive, and powerful. Together, these 6 foods form a natural defense system against the muscle loss and weakness that come with aging. Every meal that includes 1 or more of them brings you a step closer to stronger legs, better balance, and greater independence. If you've been noticing fatigue when climbing stairs, heaviness when walking, or stiffness in your legs, remember it's not too late to turn things around. Your body still responds to how you feed it. Start today, and within a few weeks you may begin to feel the difference. Lighter steps, steadier balance, and renewed confidence with every movement. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. Always talk with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making major changes to your diet, especially if you're managing chronic conditions, taking medications, or recovering from an injury. Your safety and well-being come first. Use this as a guide, not a prescription. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent, mobile, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to big improvements in how you feel every single day. So start with one simple change this week. Maybe add sweet potatoes to dinner or toss some berries into your breakfast. Each bite is an investment in your future, strength, and freedom. Please do not let anyone, not a well-meaning family member, not a cautious physician, not your own fear, convince you that the chapter of strength and mobility is closed. Before we finish, I want you to remember one very important thing. The fact that you're still here watching this video tells me something powerful. It tells me that you haven't given up. You're looking for answers, you're taking action, and you're investing in your health. That alone is a tremendous step in the right direction. If you learned even one new thing today that can help strengthen your legs, improve your balance, or help you stay independent, I ask you to support this mission by subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell. My goal is simple: to bring you science-backed, practical health information that can help you live a stronger, healthier, and more vibrant life. Please share this video with someone you love, a parent, grandparent, friend, or neighbor who may be struggling with weak legs, poor balance, or difficulty getting around. Sometimes one piece of the right information at the right moment can truly change someone's future. Now I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and tell me, which of these 5 foods are you going to start eating first? And if you're already enjoying one of them and you've noticed stronger legs, better energy, or improved mobility, share your experience. I personally enjoy reading your comments because your stories inspire others to take that first step toward better health. Remember, this channel isn't just about food or nutrition. It's about protecting your independence, preserving your mobility, and helping you enjoy the life you deserve for many years to come. No matter your age, your body has an incredible ability to heal, adapt, and become stronger when you give it the right support. Small changes made consistently can produce remarkable results. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm Dr. Alan Mandell, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay healthy, stay active, and most importantly, take good care of those legs. They are carrying you toward a healthier future.